Hey, it's Morty from Rank Ranger again, and we're here in the second report within the new SEO dashboard. That's part of our beta blitz, a barrage of newly highly actionable SEO reports. And this one is called Fluctuations, well, because it deals with fluctuations. So imagine you have 100 keywords, 1,000 keywords, 10,000 keywords. It's hard to determine which keywords are stable, unstable, which are at risk, which keywords might be an opportunity, which is why we've done the work for you here. So as you can see, what it shows you, keywords that are stable, unstable, improving, declining, cannibalized, or possibly at risk, or an opportunity. So let's go into the data here. I'll click on unstable. Now, by the way, if you hover over any of the given metrics within the widget over here, we'll explain to you what qualifies or what determines whether something is stable or unstable and so forth. Now, looking at the actual keywords, so you have your keyword, of course, you have the landing page, you have the rank, and you have a trend chart that shows you possibly why this is a concern for you or why this is unstable. And you have your SERP features. Now, grayed out means that it's on the page but doesn't belong to your site. And when it's bolded, that means, hey, that you've scored that feature. Let's jump in and click on a trend chart. And you get a barrage, a slew of data. You have your volatility score for all the keywords within this category of unstable keywords. And you have different pages that are unstable for this particular keyword. And we'll just look at one right here. Now, as you can see, this page ranks, well, it ranks quite well, consistently. But what happens here all the way to the end of the report, you have it ranking number 7, and then it falls out of the top 100 on October 24th. Okay, and that is obviously a concern. It may indicate that, yes, this keyword's unstable and that Google might be testing switching this page out for something altogether and completely removing you from the SERP. Let's hop over to opportunities and at risk, because that is the most interesting thing here in my opinion. And again, you have the same thing. You have your keywords, you have your landing pages, and now let's jump into just one of these keywords here and see whether or not this is at risk or whether or not it's an opportunity. So let's again focus on just one page, and we'll focus on the first one here by deselecting all of these, and here we go. So for this page, you can see that this page, well, doesn't really rank often, but once in a while, Google will sort of shove this up, number 14, number 9, even on page 1. Here it ranks, teetering between page 1 and page 2 consistently, and then it falls off for a while. This might be a case where Google is testing this page out, and it thinks, this page might qualify, it might meet certain intents, let's throw it up here. And now we'll take it back down. This might be a good opportunity for you. This might mean that with some further optimization, some further love and care, you can get this page to rank consistently in the top few results. Now, of course, you have your report options here. You can select whichever keywords you want to include in this report, which one you don't want to include in these reports, your search engines, some widgets you can add in, etc. So again, leaving keyword cannibalization aside for the moment, which we'll deal with at another time in another separate video because it's a whole story unto itself. You have a ton of data here. You can even access the landing page monitor to sort of delve into full access to how your pages are performing for a given keyword, your SEO monitor. You can jump in and extend the research you're doing right now and see how the competitors stack up for this keyword, and whether this keyword is volatile altogether for all of your competitors, or whether or not it's just you who are having this volatility issue, which again might help you determine whether or not you're really at risk or whether or not there's a real opportunity here. But of course, what you can see here is that you can determine rank stability for different keywords, or whether or not keywords are at risk or whether or not they're an opportunity, without having to dive through a ton of data. You can do within a simple few steps, and it's just a few-minute process. So until next time, enjoy the report, and I'll be talking to you soon.